Hey everybody, I'm back again showcasing some edge cases. Well, maybe not so much edge cases as much as stuff you just don't come across that often.
That man has no authority.
But very important to document and understand nonetheless. I'm talking about flaggers, or somebody that's holding up a stop sign. I created this custom stop sign. It's a little bit small, but it proves a point here. I want to see how FSD v14 Lite handles gestures. We all know that it responds to a stop sign. You can see the stop sign being displayed here on the screen. It's suddenly temporarily disappeared, but really the point that I'm trying to prove here is that it can do the same as this. This was filmed with FSD version 14.3.4, and it surfaced on X from Edge Case 411, and I absolutely love this. He collaborated with OG Mars Life, and watch what happens here. He's holding up the stop sign, and then he waves the car on, and it actually responded. So I'm trying to see if v14 Lite will do the same here. This is Texas Tesla, who graciously came all the way up from Texas to help with these tests. Check out his merch store down in the description. My helper is standing in the middle of the road, and when he put the stop sign down, the car went. So it didn't appear to respond to the hand gestures at all. Here's the second test now, and this is without a stop sign. So his hands are up, saying stop, and he moves to get in front of the car because it was not responding. And now with the gestures, it has enough space to go. But as you can see, it's not responding until he moves slightly over to his right, moves over even a little bit more, and then tries to stop the car. So it doesn't appear to be responding to hand gestures. Now let's test with AI4. Comes up to the stop sign and stops as expected. No hand gestures at this moment. And now the hand gestures begin, but not responding.
What?
So I moved the stop sign even over further away.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
And it looks like it's about to respond. I'm trying my best to just say, hey, go ahead, go ahead. Of course, if I step away, it'll go. So I remove the stop sign. It hesitates, and then the hand gesture allows it to go, but it doesn't stop when I put my hand out. This one cracks me up. So no stop sign. I'm holding up my hands, standing in the middle of the road. There's plenty of space to go by.
That man has no authority.
And I thought that comment was hilarious. Yeah, no authority whatsoever. This guy, get him out of there. And now another test here with the gestures going up at the last second, and you could see it didn't respond until I got in front of the car.
He's using the force to send us back.
So Texas Tesla commented that I'm using the force to send the car back. I thought that was funny. And here again, I'm just really trying to get it to recognize. It does look like it has some.
You have no authority.
It does look like it does have some intelligence with hand gestures, more so over v14 Lite. In conclusion, I think it's safe to say that version 14 on AI4 is much more capable of detecting hand gestures, but even with the latest and greatest software, it's 50-50 on what it will do. It definitely errs on the side of caution and doesn't want to go. Even when someone is waving the car on, it responds more to the person moving out of the way and other cues around it other than just the hand gestures alone. And that's, I think, very appropriate. Whereas v14 Lite doesn't appear to really respond in the same ways, which is really interesting to me. So I think that with a little bit more testing, we may be able to see some similar behaviors, but I feel that the tests here were pretty similar. So I think this should give people a good idea of the capabilities of v14 Lite compared to version 14.3.4, and now it's on 14.3.6. So a lot can change between versions. I'll be interested to continue testing this, but right now v14 Lite is not the same as v14 with regard to flaggers, hand gestures, and stop signs being held by people. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.